Ariel Fitzpatrick is feed and braiding. That's not a thing. Hey, what's poppin', everybody? So I'm here with another video. As you can see, today's gonna be a pretty casual video. I'm basically just gonna try my method for myself for the first time on myself. I'm talking about the crochet knotless box braid method. I came up with a method that I showed in my previous video of how to do it using a crochet hook. I had my mom do it. She's just so good at braiding, so I was just like, Ma, you got this. Look how neat they still are, and I have not tied down my head at night. So you guys have seen a braider do it. Today, y'all are gonna see a non-braider do it. All my fellow non-braiders, y'all know who you are. What up? Make some noise in the comment section down below. So I have my crochet hook. I don't have my crochet hook. One second. So I have my crochet hook, my head, I have my hair, and that's all you need. So I think we're ready. Every time I do a braiding video on this channel, it is just a mess. So I'm hoping this time, for the first time in my life, that it would actually come out good. Okay, so I'm going to start with my Shine and Jam. Let's do a little length check. Jeez. Y'all, a year and a half ago, this was all bald, because my undercut was from like, literally from here down. Look how far that's reaching. What? I need to do a silk press. Thumbs up if you guys want to see me do a silk press on my 4C here. Oh my goodness, that's going to be a project. So we're going to start off by doing a regular plait.
5 minutes later.
Wow, this is so bad. Why am I so bad at braiding? I don't understand. It's like the one thing in my life I can't do. I just don't understand why. Y'all go check out my Rihanna video. Y'all know I can't braid, okay? So I'm trying. I wasn't gonna try it again, but let's try it again. I'm gonna try it one more time, okay? Alright, y'all, let's try it one more time. If this doesn't come out good, then, well, shoot. Then we really know I'm not meant to braid. I got this one good. Look at that. I got the first one in good. Check me out right now, okay? I am doing this right now. Now to have the second piece. Y'all, keep in mind I am doing this without a mirror, okay? So, cut me some slack. Oh my goodness. Are y'all seeing this? I'm actually doing this right now. Do you know what this means? Ariel Fitzpatrick is feed and braiding. That's not a thing. Look at this. This method right now. Oh my gosh. This hair is tangling on me because it's been through so much right now. This is old hair. I cannot believe this worked. I mean, like, I knew it would work because my mom did it, but like, I didn't think it would work for me. You can't tell me nothing. Okay, it is official. If I could do it, every non-braider out there can do it. I think this one, I should have used a bigger piece. It's too small. Like the third piece should have been bigger, and it makes sense because I took out a huge chunk because it was tangling on me. But wow. I'm so happy right now. This is my first time trying this. So imagine if I keep practicing, I'm gonna get better. I clearly need to keep practicing because I still got conky braids. So you know how badly I am at braiding, okay? So this is, for someone who cannot braid, this is pretty good, okay? These braids are really old. They're almost 3 weeks old, so as you can see, they're frizzing and stuff. My boxes are like just really frizzy. It's time to take them out. So I'm actually gonna film a takedown video right at whoa, I choked. excuse me, I'm gonna film a takedown video right after this because I'm taking this out tonight and I'll post that, so y'all don't worry about it. Anyway, it may be weird because you're talking to the back of my head, so I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna go to the outro, which I filmed like 2 days ago. Bye. Alright guys, so that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I can't really tell you how it went because technically I haven't done it yet. Y'all know better than I do right now of how it turned out because I don't know how it turned out. So I'm just hoping Ariel from the past, from the future Ariel or past, yeah, future Ariel, I'm hoping that you actually pulled this through. I'm believing in you. I hope you did it. I believe you got it this time. So just try your hardest, take your time, and you got this. You can do this, okay? If you didn't do it well, shoot, I don't know what to do with you anymore. I don't know what to do with you. You watch so many YouTube videos, you watch so many tutorials. I don't know why, I actually don't know why you can't braid yet. Anyway, it's okay. I still believe in you because I have to be you. So in a few minutes, yeah, so y'all saw how it went down. I can't really say much because I don't know how it went down yet. So all I gotta say right now is thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, you comment down below. Super special shout out to our featured subscriber of today's video. This side right here. Bam, bam, bam. Thank you so much for your support. I really love and appreciate you. I hope you're having a great day, a great week, a fantastic year, and an awesome life. God bless you. If you guys want to be featured in the next video, you already know what to do. Make sure you comment down below and subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow, okay? I know. I have not been consistent. I'm so sorry, but I've been posting every week, okay? But we're gonna get it back to every day, every weekday. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.